Okay, I'll begin to illustrate, by the way, class, the Radix sort here then. So as what I mentioned that we will begin to sort based on the for ones, tens, hundreds, and everything. So for this one right now, we'll begin to go with the first pass, which will be going to base in the ones. So when we say ones, that is here. So we'll begin to base that here. So you will begin to sort that from basically 0 to n. So you will begin to check if is there any zero. What will be the lowest value? Is it zero? Wala. No, there's no zero. How about one? There's no one. There is one. So it will become 3 to 1. Then is there any one? There's no one. How about two? 4, 2. There is two. So it is 1, 2. What about is there any two? There's no two. Three, there's no three. What about four? Yes, there is four. Four, three, four. What about another four? There's no four. So what about five? There is five and 25. What about six? So there's no six. What about seven? There's no seven. What about eight? There's no eight. What about nine? There is nine. 109. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we were able to identify already the first pass right there. That is and the first pass that is basing in the ones. So now for the second pass, we will begin to this. I will begin to indicate here ones place. And right now, it will be going to base in the 10 place. So we'll begin to check the second number. Is there any zero? So suppose that there is a zero here, the 05. So suppose, so it will be 05. Then afterwards, there is 9, 0109. Then next, is there any one? There is one, 1, 2. Next, we'll begin to check. There's no one anymore. What about 2? There is 3, 2, 1. We can definitely do that. But next, is there any 2? Yes, there is 25. Next, there's no 2 anymore. What about 3? We're going to check. There is 4, 3, 4. Next, we'll begin to check. Is there any other thing? By the way, there is 25 for the 2. So be careful with that. So yeah, I already put that there already. I'm sorry, it's not corrected. 4, 3, 4. Okay. So there is nothing to worry about then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How about now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything was in there. So that is for the 10th place. What about for the 100? So that will be in the third pass already. So in your third pass, suppose that there is a zero, another 0, 0, be the basis. So it will become 5. Then suppose that there is a 0 here, so it will become 0, 1, 2. Suppose there is a 0 here, it will become 0, 2, 5. Right? So what about there's no 0 anymore? 1, there is 1. 109. What about another 1? There's no 1 anymore. What about 2? There is no 2. What about 3? There is 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. What about 4? There's no any 3. We can proceed with the 4, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is in your 100 place. Hundreds place. So everything was already sorted. You can somewhat put the final sort. It will become 5, 12, 25, 109, 321, and 434. So that is how you will begin to deal with this radix sort. That is really simple. That is absolutely the simplest sorting algorithm technique.